Counting years in Irish is definitely a little bit tricky and often causes confusion. Here are some examples. Cháil mé mo fust dhá bhliain ó shin. Níl sé ach trí bliain ó d'aois. Chá mé 7 mbliana sa Spáin. Tá sé 5 bliain d'aois. We can see that the word for years coming here, it's in green, varies depending on the number coming before it. We have bhliain, bliana, mbliana, and blian. When we count 1 year or 2 years, we use the word blian. Ein bhliain amháin, or instead of, we can drop the ein and just say blian amháin. And 2 years, dhá bhliain. Notice that ein and dhá trigger lenition, this H. Cha mé blian amháin is asanna, or you might say cha mé ein bhliain amháin is asanna. Tá sí ein bhliain déag díos. So that's how we say 11. We say 1 year and déag stands for 10. Cha mé dhá bhliain sa Spáin. Tá sé dhá bhliain déag díos. So after 1 and 2, we have blian. From 3 to 6, we have bliana, trí bliana, ceithre bliana, 5 bliana, 6 bliana. Níl sé ach trí bliana d'aois. Tharla sé 4 bliana ó shin. Tá seán 5 bliana déag d'aois. Cheanna mé mo theach 6 bliana ó shin. From 7 to 10, instead of bliana, we have mbliana. There's an uru, the letter M. 7 mbliana, 8 mbliana, 9 mbliana, 10 mbliana. Tá sé 7 mbliana d'aois. Tharla sé 8 mbliana ó shin. Tá seán 9 mbliana déag d'aois. Cheanna mé mo theach 10 mbliana ó shin. Now, for multiples of 10, apart from the number of 10 itself, which we've just seen as 10 mbliana, but all other multiples of 10, we're back to the simple form of the word year, which is blian. 5 blian, 5 blian, 100 blian. You might know or have heard of the book 5 blian ag fás, an account of Muireann Súlaháin's life on the Great Blasket Island. Ba sé 5 blian d'aois I miúil. Tharla sé 100 blian ó shin. Tá seán 60 blian d'aois. Here it's time to review. Let's look at from 1 to 10 first of all. After the numbers 1 and 2, we use blian. And there will be a shevu if we have after ein and dhá. Ein bblian amháin, or you could just say blian amháin. Dhá bblian. 3 to 6, we use the word bliana. Trí bliana, ceithre bliana, 5 bliana, 6 bliana. 7 to 10, we use mbliana, 7 mbliana, 8 mbliana, 9 mbliana, 10 mbliana. Now, why is it so complicated counting years in Irish? I can't give you the answer for that. But I will say that talking about years is something we do very often. You might want to say where you lived for a certain number of years or what age you are. So it's a thing that's worth spending a little bit of time on and getting the hang of it. We continue anyways. Between 10 and 20, so the teens, we put the small number first and then déag after it. So 12 is 2 years and déag. Dhá bhliain déag. Trí bliana déag. 7 mbliana déag. And then when we're into the multiples of 10, 20 is just 5 blian. Some more multiples of 10. 5 blian, 5 blian, 100 blian. The only thing that we still need to know is other numbers from 20 upwards that aren't multiples of 10. Again, what we'll do here is we'll put the smallest number first and add the multiple of 10 after it. So 22 is 2 years and 20. Dhá bhliain is 5. Trí bliana is 3. 6 years and 50. 6 bliana is 5. 48. 8 years and 40. 8 mbliana is 10. Now there's quite a lot in this, and I hope I haven't confused you further. If you watch the video a couple of times, I'm certain that you'll get the hang of it. Agus sin é. Mahu.